This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable bolt on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the dust cap from the headlamp motor and turn the knob counterclockwise to raise the headlamp assembly by hand. Remove the headlamp bezel, taking care to avoid scratching the paint. There are screws on each side that require removal. Carefully angle and remove the bezel. Reach in from the opening created by removing the bezel to gain access to the high or low beam bulb. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb. Without touching the bulb glass with your bare hands, connect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Insert the new bulb into the housing while aligning the tabs. Then rotate the bulb clockwise to secure it in the housing. Being careful not to scratch the vehicle paint, install the headlamp bezel and retaining screws. Tighten the screws securely, but avoid cracking the plastic. Turn the headlamp motor knob clockwise by hand to lower the headlamp assembly. Install the dust cap onto the knob. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the bolts securely.